It was a day of joy, pride, and new beginnings as the Apex College of Nursing Sciences Igbo-Ukwu ACONSI held its matriculation and capping ceremony to officially welcome over 90 students into its nursing and midwifery programs. Joy Lebu was there for NTA News.
May God help me. May God help me. Amen.
The event, which drew parents, dignitaries, and members of the medical community, marked a significant milestone in the students' journey towards clinical practice. The provost, Pastor Promise Ekawa, described the ceremony as a reaffirmation of the institution's commitment to producing skilled, ethical, and compassionate nurses and midwives who will contribute meaningfully to Nigeria's healthcare system.
National Board for Technical Education (NBTE) accredited ACONSI on the 24th April 2025.
In their separate remarks, the founder and visitor of the institution, Professor Uchenna Nwosu, and the chairman, Apex Board of Directors, Chief Bart Nwibe, traced the growth of the college and urged the new students to uphold the dignity of the nursing profession through hard work, discipline, and empathy.
And the profession calls for not only knowledge is one, but empathy is probably the most important aspect of nursing. It's not a selfish, there are people who are called to help.
We see Apex as going to be the premium healthcare institution in Anambra State. From nursing students, from residency training for doctors, to running the most specialized diagnostic center. I see people coming from other parts of the world to Anambra State to get health care.
I want to plead with the students to know that nursing is not just a job, it is a caring and empathic profession.
Highlights of the event were the capping, oath-taking, and candle lighting ceremonies, symbols of purity, service, and dedication to humanity.
Please,
Mary Ann.
Feeling great because today is our special day after many years in struggle.
Very happy, very grateful to God, and also I want to use the opportunity to appreciate my parents.
And this is a wonderful school. I'm happy to be in this school.
The Apex College of Nursing Sciences Igbo-Ukwu is accredited by the Nursing and Midwifery Council of Nigeria. From Igbo-Ukwu in Agwata local government area of Anambra State, Joy Iluebu, NTA News.